Welcome to My Skills My Future. In this video, we are going to discuss the previous year questions of RRB Group D, which was held on 1st September 2022, Shift 1. In previous videos, in previous live sessions, we also discussed some previous question papers of RRB Group D. So, presently, we are going to discuss some of the questions of RRB Group D previous year question paper that was held on 1st September 2022, Shift 1. Okay. If you have any doubts in RRB Group D arithmetic reasoning questions, just comment your doubts in comment section. We will clarify your doubts. Okay. So, shall we start? Yes. See the question. So, this question is based on Venn diagram. So, first see the question, what are the information is given. If you see that they given the different three types of juices, apple, mango, strawberry. So, what is our question is, how many types of juices does the company make that contain both apple and strawberry? Okay. So, what is the question? How many types of juices does the company make that contain both apple and strawberry? Okay. So, while seeing Venn diagram, we can easily say the answer. Okay. See that we need contain of both apple and strawberry. If you see the Venn diagram here, this is the part that contains both apple and strawberry. Okay. So, this is the region that contains both apple and strawberry. So, that is 10 plus 8, 18. So, I hope you will get the answer easily. Okay. So, which option is correct? Option 4 is correct. Okay. Right. So, next question. So, the question is based on number series. As we discussed a number of questions in number series, at least they are asking 2 questions from number series. We can score easily 2 marks if the question is comes under number series. Only need to find the logic of that series. Okay. See the series. Okay. What is the series? 3, 4, 10, 33, 136 is the series is given, and the options are option 1 684, option 2 685, option 3 688, option 4 700. So, let us see the series and find the what is the logic is here. See that 3, 4, 10, 33, 136, and we need to find the next number of this series. So, if you observe that there is no constant difference between the two numbers. So, there is some other logic is there. So, if you observe that from here to here, if you see that 3 ones plus 1, 3 ones, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, we get the number 4. Yes, 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. Yes, correct. So, by using this logic, we get, so 4 into 2, we get 8 plus 2, we get 10. So, 4 2's 8 plus 2, we get 10. Yes, the logic is correct. So, apply the same logic for this. Is it true or not? Check. Okay. So, 10 into 3, we get 30 plus 3. Yes, the logic is correct. So, what is the logic here? Into 1 plus 1, into 2 plus 2, into 3 plus 3, into 4 plus 4, into 5 plus 5, and so on. So, here we need to find what is the number is here by using this logic. Okay. See that into 1 plus 1 we get 4, 4 into 2 plus 2 we get 10, 10 into 3 plus 3 we get 33, next 33 into 4 plus 4, 33 into 4 plus 4. So, 33 into 4 we get 132 plus 4 136. Yes, correct. So, we need to find the next number here. So, simply, so they are increasing plus 1 plus 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, 136 into 5 plus 5. Okay, 136 into 5 plus 5 is the answer. So, if you want to multiply with 5, there is a simple logic is there. Suppose I need to multiply 40 into 5. Okay, 40 into 5. So, we have a simple logic. So, simply of this number, simply do of this number. What is the of 40? 20. Just multiply with 10. We get 200. Okay, 40 into 5 is nothing but 200. So, of the number multiply with 10. So, we get easily the answer. So, just of the number. So, 2 6 12, 2 8. Just multiply with 10, we get 680. Okay, so 136 into 5, nothing but 680 plus 5, we get 685. Okay, the series is given into 1 plus 1, next number into 2 plus 2, next number into 3 plus 3, next number into 4 plus 4. For same same pattern into 5 plus 5, we get 685 is the answer for this series. Option 2 is correct. So, practice as more as number series problem, you can damn surely score minimum to minimum 1 or 2. Okay, right. So, to reach house B from house A, to reach house B from house A, okay, a person has to walk 30 meters towards south. Okay, the question is direction sense test question. So, first we must draw what are the directions: east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. So, a person has to walk 30 meters towards south. So, 30 meters towards south, 30 meters towards south. Okay. Then he must take a left turn and walks 15 meters. After 30 meters, he must take left turn and walks 15 meters. So, here the left turn is like this and walks 15 meters and walks 15 meters. Okay, right. Then he must take a left turn again. After walking 15 meters, then he must take again left turn and walk 20 meters. So, from here to they must take left turn and walk 20 meters, right, 20 meters. So, here to here 30 meters, here to here 20 meters. Okay, there is a gap is there 10 meters to equal to this distance. Okay, right. So, again, okay, again he must take left turn. Okay, again he must take left turn and walk 25 meters. Again he must take. So, this is the direction. If you want to take left turn, so right. Again he must take left turn and walk 25 meters. So, here to here we know the 15 meters and he walk left turn and walk 25 meters. So, this is the 25 meters from here to here. Okay, right. So, then he must take right turn. Now, he must take right turn and walk 10 meters. He must take right turn and walk 10 meters. So, we know here to here 30, here to here 30 meters and here to here 20 meters. So, here to here 10 meters. Okay. So, he take right and walk 10 meters. So, here to here 10 meters. Then he must take left turn and walk 17 meters. So, here he must take left turn and walk 17 meters. So, finally reach house B. Here the house B is there. Okay. So, while seeing this direction, so we need to answer the question. What is the question is given? How far and in which direction? How far and in which direction house A from house B? Okay. So, how far? So, the distance here to here is 17 and here also there is 10. So, total here to here we have 27. So, here to here we have 27. Okay. So, in which direction? So, this is A is east direction to B. So, 27 meters east. Answer is 27 meters east. So, see the answer, option 1 17 meters east. So, wrong. Option 2 27 meters east, yes. Option 2 is correct. So, we are observing that damn surely they are asking at least one question from direction sense test. Okay, practice as more as examples from direction sense test. Okay, right. So, shall we move to the next question? Right. So, just now we discussed one of the question on number series. So, here also they asked one more question from number series. So, see the series. So, which of the following number will replace the question mark? So, which of the following number will replace the question mark? First of all, so take the series 12 comma 14 comma 20 comma 34 comma 60, and we need to find what will come in the place of. So, here first we must take the difference. What is the difference is here? Okay. So, difference is 2, here the difference is 6, here the difference is 14, and here the difference is 60 minus 34, 26. Okay. So, if you see, is there any logic here? No, we need to find the difference again. So, here the difference is 4, here the difference is 8, 14 minus 6, 8, and 26 minus 14 is 12. So, if you see the here we get the 4 multiple, 4 ones, 4 twos, 4 threes, and here we get 4 fours 16, 4 fours 16. Okay. So, just add 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14, 14 plus 12 26, 26 plus 16 we get 42. Okay. So, if you see here 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 4 20, 20 plus 14 34, 34 plus 26 nothing but 60, 60 plus 42. So, we get 102 here in the place of question mark. See whether the option 102 is there in or not in the options. Okay. See option 1 108 wrong, option 2 100 wrong, option 3 102 is correct. Okay. So, by using this logic we can find the next number in the series. So, shall we move to the next question? Right. See the question. See the question here. P, Q, R, S, T, U and V has an exam on different day of a week starting from Monday to Sunday of the same week. Starting from Monday to Sunday of the same week. Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, what are the information given in the question? Okay. Yes, exam is immediately before or. So, we get one information. Yes, exam is immediately before or. Okay. So, note this point. exam is immediately before, or only 3 people have exam between U and Q. Only 3 people. So, only 3 people have exam between U and Q. So, there are two possibilities. Between U and Q, there are 3 people. One possibility, or like this, between U and Q, there are 3 people. There are two possibilities. Okay, right. See, next, what is the information given? So, Q's exam is immediately before S. Okay, Q's exam is immediately before S. So, here we have one information, S exam is before R, and here we have one more information, Q exam is immediately before S. So, we can write Q is here. So, Q, S, R are neighbors. Okay, right. Only 2 people have exam between S and P. Only 2 people have exam between S and V. For this, we have 2 possibilities. Only 2 people have exam between S and V. Only 2 people have between exam S and V means we get 2 possibilities. Okay, right. So, and here the given information is P exam is on Tuesday. They given direct information. P exam is on Tuesday. R exam is on Sunday. So, they given R exam also on Sunday. So, here we get the information Q, S, R. Okay, S is immediate before of R. Q exam is immediate before R, S. So, we allot Q, S, R, and by using this information, we can, there are 3 people between U and Q. Okay, so if there is no possibility of writing U to the right side of Q. Okay, so only possibility is there are writing 3 people between Q and U is only one possibility. Okay, so after Friday there are no more 4 days is there. So before Friday we have 4 days. Okay, right. Next, by using this, okay, between S and V there are 2 peoples are there. So there is no possibility from here. So we can write between S and V there are 2 people is there. So we allotted U, P, V, U, S, R on different days. Only one day is pending. So we can simply write T in that Thursday. So what is our question? Okay, what is our question? Who among the following has exam on Monday? So if you see that U has exam on Monday. Okay, right. So U has exam on Monday, right? So shall we move to the next question? Select the option that represents the letter series when placed from left to right. When placed from left to right. So here from left to right, we need to find what are the blanks will be filled from the left to right. Okay, see the series here, letter series. Okay, so I, one blank is there, L, O, blank, R, U, V, X, blank, B, blank, G is there. So, if you see that in the options for the first blank, there is only one and only alphabet is there, that is J. Option 1 is J, option 2 is J, option 3 is J, option 4 is also J. So, just write J in the first blank. Okay, if you see the pattern, so I plus 1 we get J, next alphabet. J plus 2 we get L. L plus 3 we get O. Okay, right. Here if you see that U plus 1 we get V, U, V. V plus 2 U, V, W, X. Okay, W plus 3 we can write A is here. Plus 1 we get B, AB plus 2 we get BCD. Okay, plus 3 we get EFG. Okay, right. So here we can write 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. We can write plus 1 means OP plus 2 OPQR plus 3. So if you observe plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. So what are the blanks are filled by from left to right? J, P, A, D. So J, P, A, D are the alphabets in that blanks. So which option? Option 1 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. Right, see the question in the adjoining figure. So see carefully, in the adjoining figure, AB parallel to CD. So AB is parallel to CD. Okay, correct. CD is parallel to EF. Okay, right, given. Also EA is perpendicular to AB. So EA, this is the EA line which is perpendicular to AB. So they given a angle BGD. So they given angle BGD. They given the angle BGD, that is 62 degrees. That is 62 degrees. Then the value of W. Then the value of W. Here the value of W is there. So if you see that, we can consider it is one triangle. It is one triangle. Okay, if we see that this is a right angle, why? Because DC is a perpendicular to EA by seeing this condition. Okay, so that we can write here 90 degrees. Okay, so ECG is a 90 degrees, and see that here the opposite vertical angles are same. So we can write here, so if 62 is there, here also we can write 62 degrees. Okay, so sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. So W plus, here we get 90 by using right angle, 90 degrees plus, so by using BGD we can write EGC. Why? Because opposite vertical angles are same. So if here get 62, here also we get 62. So 62 is equal to 180. So W is equal to 180 degrees minus 62 plus 90, we get 152 degrees. So W is equal to 28 degrees. Okay, W is equal to 28 degrees. Option 1 is correct. Okay, there are some more methods also there. So by using a simple logic, we can find the angle of W. So angle of W is 28 degrees. Okay, right. Next question. See the question here. This is a bar graph question. So they given the information of cotton exports in the year from 2018 to 21. So study the bar graph and answer the question. Okay, see this is the bar graph question. So these are the tons in thousand. These are the tons in thousand. These are the tons in thousand, and these are the value in crores. Value in crores is right. So what is our question? In which year was the value per 1000 tons was minimum? Okay, so just write. So 450 by 350 for 2021. Next 350 by 280 for 2020. Next 320 by 270 for 2019, and next value 410 by 348 for 2018. So which of the following get minimum? What is the minimum per 1000 tons? So by seeing itself we can say that, so 410 by 348 get the minimum value, okay, in 2018. Option 4 is correct. So next question. So this is also a bar graph question. So see the bar graph question here carefully. The bar given shows the data of number of students who were called for an interview by a company XYZ. The company name is XYZ. From the three different institutes A, B, C, A, B and C. Over the years, study the bar and answer the question. Okay. So what is the question? The ratio, what is the ratio of average number of students called for an interview from Institute C? Institute C in the period 2018 to 2020. So this is the Institute C, 2018 to 2020. So these are the students called for an interview from C. Okay. So we need to find what is the ratio of their average number of. So average number of students called for an interview from Institute C in the period to the average number of students called for interview from Institute B in the same period. So Institute B is, this is value Institute B for the same period. So we need to find average and we need to find ratio of their values. So what is the average? So from 108 plus 100 plus 80 by 3 is the average, is to next Institute B 120 plus 92 plus 100 by 3. So we need to find the ratio of the average. So ratio of the average of students who have called for an interview. So this is the C, this is the B from 18 to 20, from 18 to 20. So 208 plus 80, 288 by 3 is to 220 plus 92, 220 plus 92 we get 312 by 3. Sum of observations by number of observations. So 3 ones, 3 nines, 3 6. So 96 is to 3 ones, 3 tens, 3 fours, 104. So 96 is to 104 is the answer for this question. If you see the option, there is no option is there, but so we must convert the ratio into least form. So 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 ones are 8 threes are. So 12 is to 13 is the ratio. 13. Option 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. So see the question here. A statement is given and conclusion is also given. So which of the option is correct? So statement is given, C is equal to U, U less than F, F less than or equal to H, H greater than G, G is equal to I greater than R. So what are the conclusions? H greater than R. So if you see the here, from here to here, so H greater than G, G is equal to I greater than R. So by using this logic we can state that conclusion 1 is true. Okay, right. Next conclusion 2, H greater than C. So here, so C is equal to U, U less than F, F less than or equal to H. So we can write C less than H. Okay, by using this we can say H greater than C. So both conclusions are true. So which option is correct? Option 1, conclusion 1 and conclusion 2 are true, right? Option 1 itself correct. Next question. Okay, so one more question on Venn diagram. Okay, so potatoes, chicken and eggs. Study the given diagram carefully. Answer the question. The number of different section indicates the number of people who eat a particular food for dinner every day. So what is the question is here? Okay, what is the question? How many people eat potatoes? How many people eat potatoes and eggs for dinner but not chicken? Okay, so how many people eat potatoes and eggs but not chicken? So this is the region. So the number of people who eat eggs, potatoes but not chicken is, this is the region. So this is the region. Okay, so 21, option 2 itself answer. Okay, right. Next question. So here also one question on statement. See the statement: b greater than y less than or equal to z, z is equal to a less than x, x greater than 0. So what are the conclusions are given? So first one is b greater than x. So see here, so b greater than x. So here is greater than, here is less than. So there is no relation can be determined. So option 1 is not correct. Okay. So y, next conclusion 2, y less than 0. So here also if you see that, here we have less than or equal to, here we have greater than. So by seeing it, we can say the relation between y less than 0 doesn't exist. Okay, we cannot determine. So y less than x. Okay, y less than x. See here. So y less than or equal to z, z is equal to a less than x. So we can directly say y less than x is correct. Okay. Next conclusion 4, a greater than 0. A greater than 0. See here. So here we have less than, here we have greater than. So we cannot find the relation, we cannot determine the relation between a greater than 0. So conclusion 3 only correct. So see the option 1 3, option 2 4, option 3 2, option 4 1. So option 1 conclusion 3 is correct. Okay, right. Next question. So see the question. So we are seeing a question on speed, that is especially the question is on average speed. See the question: John travels a distance of 90 kilometers at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour and returns 60 kilometers per hour, his average speed. So they given this distance also. So distance is constant while going and returning. So here by using distance we can find the answer. So or without using distance we can find the answer. So average speed is equal to, what is the answer? So 2xy by x plus y. So we can consider this is x, this is y. So 2 into 30 into 60 by 30 plus 60. So 2 into 30 into 60 by 90. So 30 ones are 30 threes are. So 3 ones are 320s are. So 40 kilometers per hour is the average speed of John. Okay. So option 1 is correct. Thank you for watching. In this video, we discussed some important questions from the previous years of RRB Group D. I hope it was helpful for your preparation. In next video, we will continue with some more important questions from the PYQs of RRB Group D. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. So see you in the next session. Thank you.